Thank you for your kind introduction, Kato-san. And good evening, everybody. As mentioned, I'm head of the Mitsubishi Motors Europe design, and I would like to share our approach to what is an incredibly significant vehicle for the Mitsubishi Motors in the European market. The history of the Eclipse Cross nameplate is built on strong reputation around the world. The Eclipse name was first applied to the sports coupe, but since then, Eclipse Cross has combined the dynamic spirit of the original coupe with SUV characteristics. For the new Eclipse Cross, we needed to build on nameplate heritage, but take expression of the Mitsubishi Motors design DNA a step further, expressing the same dynamic driving performance in the SUV package with advanced EV design, while also installing the sense of our design philosophy, robust and ingenious. The brief of the design team in Germany was to take fresh and modern interpretation of the Mitsubishi Motors design philosophy, focusing on robust and ingenious concept to match with model's advanced technology. And as you can imagine, it was a challenge that we embraced. We created what we call the smart armor concept, matching advanced and sophisticated smart EV design with an expression of the confidence, safety, and robustness by using armor-like design elements, which you see particularly on the front area of the new Eclipse Cross with a dynamic shield concept. The dynamic shield continues to be our symbol of the strength and the protection, and in new generation, the dynamic shield is seamlessly and structurally integrated with three-dimensional surfaces, adding new depths and dimensionally providing a sense of the strength and sophistication. The satin chrome dynamic shield front face creates the distinctive and stylish character. The protective armor visuals integrated the distinctive signature full LED headlights, representing the battery electric SUV's robustness and modernity. The face of the new Eclipse Cross around the 3-dia logo delivers three-dimensional honeycomb surface treatment to provide a sense of both strength and sophistication. As the eye shift to the new Eclipse Cross's side profile, its proportions showcase its agility and reinforce its focus on the technology, a dynamic J-shaped stroke sweep from the front to the rear, underlining the vehicle's cabin, providing a dynamic design representation of the SUV's character. The compact SUV's tech-driven attitude is highlighted by the integrated door handles and perfectly harmonized three-diamond logo and the triangle-shaped alloy wheels. The rear side of the car was designed with concept of the hexagonal stability. The three-dimensional hexagon shape expresses Mitsubishi Motors' DNA. The horizontally configured LED lights deliver two design characteristics. They create drama and attraction at the same time, while also providing stability and strong posture. A varied range of the highlight in gloss black, satin chrome, and volcanic gray enhance the vehicle's proactive SUV character, from the grille and skid plate to the roof rail and the side moldings. The exterior design is intensified further with the strong color palette and higher trim levels, choice of the two-tone finish, mixing one body color with an onyx black roof. More depth is added with the choice of the 19 and 20-inch machine-cutted two-tone alloy wheels. In the interior, the design team worked hard to bring new Eclipse Cross exterior character into the cabin space. The result is space that combines practicality with luxuriousness that optimize materials use and blends surface to deliver refinement. In the interior, the new diamond pattern leather seat enhance the feeling of the sportiness and create an authentic, high-quality driving atmosphere. Firstly, wrapping around horizontal satin silver accent and sophisticated details represent modernity and roominess. Secondly, the new diamond patterns synthetic leather seat express sportiness and authentic high-quality driving mood. Light control, whether from natural sources or LED technology, helps adjust the interior's character. Based in controllable natural light from the free-size electrochromic glass roof, passengers can effortlessly adjust opacity to match their mood. When night falls, LED ambient lights create a modern, high-tech atmosphere. The system is built on multiple LED lights with an independent control for the gradual illumination with 48 different colors available that can also change depending on the driving mode to make interior mood customizable. Creating the new design built on the Eclipse Cross heritage, taking the expression of the Mitsubishi Motors design DNA step further was a challenge we enjoyed, embraced, and I think succeeded in. Thank you for being with us today. Now I'd like to pass the word to Frank, who will explain us the main feature of our all-new Eclipse Cross.
Thank you, Matsuoka-san, and congratulations on the fantastic new design. The new Eclipse Cross is a milestone vehicle, Mitsubishi's first 100% battery electric vehicle in this new era here in Europe. And since the pioneering IMEV and the breakthrough strategic model playing a key role in the brand's journey towards further electrification. At its heart, is its advanced battery electric powertrain built on the Ampere medium platform from the Alliance, integrating sophisticated components that allow the compact SUV to deliver for the customers in the largest vehicle segment here in Europe. The Eclipse Cross will cater for diverse everyday needs. The long-range version available from launch with its 87 kilowatt battery delivers a driving range over 600 kilometers, balancing, of course, performance and energy efficiency. A second mid-range option will be available next year. The regenerative braking pushes power back into the battery, and of course it's controllable with 4 levels chosen using the pedals behind the steering wheel, allowing users to define the level that suits their own driving style. The battery is linked to a high-efficient electric motor, which is capable of delivering 160 kilowatts of power and 300 Newton meters of torque. And drivability is embedded in the all-electric compact SUV. The powertrain gives the new Eclipse Cross a top speed of around 170 kilometers an hour, and from standing start can reach 100 kilometers an hour under 8 seconds. And thanks to the low center of gravity, stability and cornering performance are dialed into the vehicle's design, while precise steering and advanced suspension systems make it both fun and, of course, safe to drive. The new Eclipse Cross is infinitely tunable to the driver's needs, maximizing comfort and delivering the characteristics of the driver wants through 4 selectable individual modes. And the new Eclipse Cross is designed to become a convenient part of the customer's life, and the ability to quickly and easily charge is critical. That is why the vehicle can be charged at home or at the street with an AC charging plug, as well as DC fast charging up to 150 kilowatt using the CCS socket. And we live in a highly connectivity world where our digital lives have to seamlessly integrate with where we are. It's why connectivity is a cornerstone of our renewed lineup, with the Eclipse Cross leading the way. And thanks to the Google built-in, the best ecosystem of apps and services is instantly accessible to users. Google Maps aids you with navigation with ePOIs, real-time maps and live traffic information. And Google Play is the app store with more than 100 car-ready apps, including gaming, music and video streaming apps. And Google Assistant uses natural language voice recognition to command navigation, media streaming, phone and vehicle functionalities. Just log in to your Google account for a completely personalized experience. The new Eclipse Cross caters for those who want to use their phone to access their mobile digital content too. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available wirelessly, putting all the apps within easy reach, as well as access to Siri and Google Voice commands. All the services used in the vehicle's cabin are accessed intuitively and in an incredible clarity through the central 12-inch infotainment display, supplemented by a digital driver display which presents the driver with a clear view of the most important data, minimizing distraction and helping to keep the eyes on the road. Audiophiles will appreciate the 410 watts high-fidelity Harman Kardon premium audio system, pitch-perfect audio, exactly as the original creator intended, with predefined listening modes to match the desired mood. And the range of digital functionality is enhanced further through the Mitsubishi Motors app, using your smartphone to access tools such as Car Finder, remote preconditioning, and of course, remote charging. Everyone wants to stay up to date, and the new Eclipse Cross digital experience will continue to be improved with over-the-air updates sent directly to the vehicle. Technology is not just about accessing apps, it is also about controlling the ambience and feel of the vehicle, and something the new Eclipse Cross delivers on with its full-size glass roof, for example. The cutting-edge glazing system integrates electrochromatic film technology, enabling passengers to effortlessly adjust its opacity with just the touch of a button, so they can control the amount of natural light entering into the cabin. The new Eclipse Cross harnesses the very best of safety, convenience and comfort features to deliver a vehicle ready for any scenario. It offers passive protection, a comprehensive suite of up to 20 advanced driver assistance systems on board, and the latest traction battery safety functionality. Safety is built into the new Eclipse Cross structure, protecting vulnerable road users who need to know if the vehicle, of course, is approaching. And the systems are powered by a range of sensors, including 12 ultrasonic sensors, 4 cameras, and a front-facing radar to give a 360-degree view on the vehicle. My Pilot system links adaptive cruise control in conjunction with lane centering assist to proactively adapt speed to road context and keep the vehicle centered in the lane and fully stop the car if necessary. And the next generation Eclipse Cross is backed by Mitsubishi service commitment, giving customers mindful confidence in the product. The 5-year or 100,000 kilometers factory warranty, plus an additional 3 years of extended conditional coverage, provides a total of 8 years or 160,000 kilometers warranty coverage. And that also applies to the traction battery. Plus, you are covered by an 8 years roadside Mitsubishi assistant package. So, let me conclude. It is an important milestone for the brand, a highly advanced electric vehicle packed with the latest technology, incorporating the latest Mitsubishi Motors design language. And as Kato-san mentioned, it's the right model at the right time at the European market. And along with the all-new Grandis, it's our second model in the compact SUV category. And the C SUV segment is the most popular segment in Europe, and the addition of those two new SUVs will increase our product offer substantially, covering a wide range of price points, a full range of advanced electrified powertrains, and the latest ADAS technology, infotainment, and connectivity with Google built-in. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us for the premiere of the latest electrifying vehicle in our lineup. But now it's time for you to take a closer look at the new Eclipse Cross. And for everyone joining us remotely, remember to check our website, where you can find out about the new Eclipse Cross design, technology, and so much more. Thank you very much, and have a very good evening.
Thank you very much, everybody. I'd now like to invite Kato-san, Frank Kroll, and Matsuoka-san to please